Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can get SMS notifications when someone tags you on Facebook. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Facebook app on your device. Next, select Menu. After that, tap on Settings under Settings and Privacy. And then open Notifications. Next, select Tags. And then toggle on the button beside Push. And that's it. This is how you can push notifications about tags made on Facebook.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.